Welcome to Elyria Public Library's Foodie Fix. My name is Jen. I'm the Marketing and Programs Manager for the library, and today we'll be making Haluski. So Haluski is a pasta, which are just egg noodles, and a cabbage dish, which I have a mound of sitting to the left of me. And we're going to get started by adding butter to a pot. Right now there's 6 tablespoons of butter in there, and we're going to get that melted. Now I'm not really sure I would call this an exact recipe. This more is an exercise in muscle memory. I used to eat this with my grandma, and she would be providing me taste, and I would just stand next to her and get taste tests. And then, much to my mother's dismay, I would add things to the pot very, very slowly. So this is really, for me, just a dish about taste and smell. But you will see a recipe down at the bottom. It just may not be exactly what's on this video because it is according to taste and very fond childhood memories. So as this is melting, I'm going to add 1 small onion. And we're going to let that brown up. And then we're going to slowly add some cabbage to the pot. And then we're going to let this all go together for about 15 to 20 minutes. And it's really going to cook down your cabbage. And I have a small head of cabbage next to me that I'm just adding in slowly. So once your cabbage is cooked down, you are going to add 16 ounces of cooked egg noodles. And you're going to give that a stir. And then you're going to add your salt and pepper, and that is completely to taste. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add a whole lot of pepper. And that's mostly how my dad ate things. So that is how I remember growing up eating it. So what you have in about 15 minutes is a dish that you could eat by itself or as a side. And again, it is Haluski, which is just cabbage and noodles. Thanks everybody for watching this month's Foodie Fix. Please visit our YouTube channel where you can watch more of our videos.